In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change the header background color in Google Docs. This useful skill can help make your documents visually appealing and uniquely styled to suit your needs. Whether you're creating a professional report, a school project, or just a personal document, customizing the header can bring that extra touch of elegance. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of how you can achieve this in just a few moments. To start with, you'll need to insert a header into your document. This can be easily done by simply double-clicking in the top margin of your document. After doing this, the header area will open up, making it ready for customization. Next, you'll want to access the drawing tool in Google Docs. To do that, navigate over to the menu bar at the top, click on Insert, then choose Drawing, and finally click on Plus New. This will bring up the drawing canvas, which allows you to create and customize shapes just the way you like them. Once you're in the drawing canvas, your task is to draw a rectangle. Simply click on the shape icon, which looks like a small circle and square, then select the rectangle option. Draw this shape so it's a little larger than the header space. This sizing adjustment is crucial to ensure your header is nicely covered by the background color you'll be adding in the next step. Now, with the rectangle selected, it's time to change its color. Look up at the toolbar and find the Fill Color icon, which looks like a paint bucket. Clicking on this will give you a range of colors to choose from. You can pick one of the default colors, or if you have a specific color in mind, click on Plus Custom, where you can enter a specific hex code to match your desired theme. If you want a clean look with no border, go ahead and click on the border color icon, which resembles a pencil, and select Transparent. If you wish to add text within the header, simply double-click inside the rectangle shape to start typing and format it as needed. This is entirely optional, but can enhance your header with a title or additional information. Once you've finished customizing the rectangle and adding any optional text, click on the Save and Close button. This action will insert your newly designed header with the background color onto your document. Now, let's refine the position of this shape. Click on the shape that appears in the document and look at the formatting options that pop up below. Select Behind Text. This ensures that any text in your document flows nicely over the header, creating a smooth and professional appearance. Finally, you may need to adjust the placement of the shape. Drag it to the very top of the page. If you want the color to extend all the way to the top edge of the document, you might need to remove the default header margins. Click on Options, then Header Format, and set the margin to 0. And there you have it, a beautifully styled header background in your Google Docs document. Play around with different colors and text to make it truly yours. Happy creating!